be revisiting one of the most popular recipes on our channel, and that is for a 2-ingredient keto-friendly cake. But we're actually gonna be tweaking this recipe and we're gonna be turning it into 3 ingredients. Will you guys still be interested? So what are these 2 ingredients that you're gonna be needing? You are going to need chocolate chips. You can use Choc Zero chocolate chips, we love those. We're using Lily's chocolate chips today. These are the milk chocolate baking chips. We also thought that we would do a little play on this by trying a different variation, but we don't know if it's gonna work. I'm a huge fan of white chocolate. In fact, I would always choose white chocolate over regular chocolate. And so we're gonna try to make this also with white chocolate chips. These are the Choc Zero white chocolate chips. We always have these on hand. The original recipe called for eggs. You're gonna be needing the yolks and the egg whites. And the 3rd ingredient that's gonna change things up a bit, we don't know exactly how it's gonna work yet, but we're gonna be adding peanut butter because Sarah has been seeing so many Reese's peanut butter ads on her newsfeed, I don't know, on social media, and she just can't stop talking about the chocolate and peanut butter combo. So Sarah and I have been on keto since 2019, and that was the first time in our lives that we actually cared about our health or what we were eating. And while we are generally relaxed about what we eat here on our channel, we like the 2-ingredient, 3-ingredient recipes. We are also focused on eating nutrient-dense foods, and that's why we're gonna talk to you about GEM. Sarah and I have been taking GEM every day for 3 months, and it is literally eating your vitamins in 1 tasty bite. And because your body recognizes real food, it responds to it really well. So we've been taking GEM for about 3 months now, and we've both noticed better digestion, but I personally have been having problems with my skin, and I see real improvements. My skin looks clearer. And that's thanks to the turmeric and black pepper, ginger and spices, and citrus. If you are sick of taking a bunch of pills and synthetic multivitamins, then you need to try GEM. GEM uses over 20 real food ingredients to deliver essential nutrients that your body can actually absorb. And they worked with a pastry chef to make these bites absolutely delicious. And right now, GEM is offering a special discount off of your first month for the Keto Twins community. So go to dailygem.com/KetoTwins and use the coupon code KetoTwins at checkout. Thanks so much to GEM for supporting our channel. Sponsors help keep our channel going. Let's get started with our 3-ingredient cakes. So the original creator of this recipe is Kimspired DIY, and we're gonna be leaving this linked in the video below the video player. You're gonna be needing like little ramekins. You could use this. Something about this size should work well for this recipe. So we're gonna get started separating our egg yolks from our egg whites. So we preheated our oven to 350 degrees. I've separated out 4 eggs because we're making 2 different variations of this recipe. 1 serving is 1 egg and 2 ounces of chocolate chips, but we are doing 2 of each, and we're also doing 2 variations.
So we're 4 timesing.
Yeah. If you're gonna be making one of these, it's gonna be less complicated. We're gonna whip these eggs until stiff peaks form. So I've taken a pause on whipping our egg whites. We're going to start melting our chocolate. This is 2/3 of a cup of keto-friendly milk chocolate chips. We are going to put this in the microwave, and we're going to try to keep an eye on it because they burn easily. 30 seconds at a time. Make sure you're looking. You have to stir it because it will burn. And sometimes you will look at it and it looks like it hasn't melted, but it has already started melting. That took a total of 50 seconds and then stirring halfway. Perfect.
So to decide and do our white chocolate chips.
Same protocol. I think that this is done. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
To test it, you can simply put it over your head. This one only took 30 seconds.
Good to know.
Crazy.
It's faster than the milk chocolate.
I licked the peanut butter spoon. Next up is we're going to add the egg yolks into the melted chocolate. So 2 egg yolks into the white chocolate, 2 egg yolks into the milk chocolate. This is not that hot anymore, so hopefully we don't turn it into scrambled eggs.
Just do it as fast as you can, I guess, right? It starts to seize up a little bit, so. Next.
Well, I don't know if this is gonna work.
Well, we'll have to see, yeah.
Keto Twins Test Kitchen. It looks weird.
Just keep on going until it's one consistent color.
Fold in your egg whites into your chocolate mixture.
Uh-oh,
I think we went through this last time too. 10 more seconds. It seems to have seized.
It seems to have seized.
It seems to have seized. That is a tongue twister. So the same thing happened last time.
This is the part that takes the longest because you really don't want to push all that air out. So folding it takes a long time. Does this count as an ingredient? So
Lightly oiled with avocado oil.
there's actually 4 ingredients.
No. So I did my best to try to incorporate it, but as you can see, there's little chunks of...
That's all right.
So we're gonna put in our mixture.
Halfway
We're gonna just put a little bit of...
to get that Reese's peanut butter cup feel. Just put a little
bit.
dollop of unsweetened
peanut
peanut
butter.
butter. I'm sure we can't go wrong with chocolate and peanut butter, a classic combination.
All right, now I'm gonna cover this slightly.
The rest of the batter.
And if it sucks, we're just gonna pretend we didn't put that in there. You will never know, okay? You'll know. We don't hide our mistakes here on our channel. So now we're gonna do the same thing with the white chocolate version of this recipe. Kind of looks like butterscotch. Same thing. Pour that in. Get in there. Oops. Whatever. Get in there.
Okay. Really hoping that this white chocolate one works as well.
So here we have our 3 ingredient cakes. They're gonna go in for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Hopefully they turn into something.
Yes, they are a normal chance.
Please be something.
Please be something. And a wave. Be something.
Give it the bird. Okay.
Be something.
Okay, let's check on it.
It puffed up.
Oh, it's something. We've turned off the heat and we're gonna let this sit in here and cool down maybe for like 5 or 10 minutes. So, and then we're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna try them. I feel like deja vu.
Why?
Although different. Well, because we've made this recipe before,
That's
but
true.
it's a little different.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes we need to revisit old recipes.
Because
and
we're
put a new
running
spin
out
on it.
too.
Well, not even that, but people really like this.
Yeah.
I've been seeing this recipe being done currently everywhere, so I figure let's just give it a go again.
I'm hoping it's going to be like a Reese's.
Like a molten-ish.
Yeah.
What's that noise?
That's Charlie. Excuse me, are you
Ripping
ripping
up-
You're ripping up a paper towel. My paper towel?
Did you do this? Did you?
Bad.
No. Sorry. Animal control. Is it hot, you said?
Dramatic.
Well, I don't know. You said it was hot. Okay.
All right, let's try it.
It's like fuzzy.
Good. Should use a dollop of whipped cream on top or something.
The peanut butter is like a saltiness to it. Yummy. Great texture. It's almost like a molten cake in the middle.
Yeah, but instead of chocolate, it's peanut butter.
It's hard to believe that this is only eggs and chocolate chips.
And peanut butter.
And peanut butter right in the middle. But just the texture of the cake. You know, very good. You could even, if you had some like Chalk Zero hazelnut spread, you could do that instead of peanut butter if you don't really like peanut butter.
Or like maybe a fruit spread on
Yeah,
the
like a
inside.
raspberry, sugar-free raspberry in the inside, or even strawberry.
Or you could do like a pistachio cream on the inside and do... That pistachio is very trending right now. And for the past 6 months, everybody's been talking about pistachio and chocolate.
Yeah, pistachio cream on the inside. Moving on.
It kind of looks like cornbread. It smells like maple syrup.
Yeah, why does it smell like maple syrup? That's weird. It's
a different
definitely like
consistency.
souffle, more souffle-like or something. I don't know.
So the peanut butter ended up on the bottom of this one, which is kind of weird.
It means it's lighter. This is a lighter cake.
Here it's talking about like physics and... Hot. It's so hot.
Yeah, I like this one too. It's very different. And I do think that like a lemon application would be okay. Are you okay?
I think I burnt the roof of my mouth with my...
I don't think people can understand what you're saying.
I like this. This is different tasting.
I don't know if it tastes like white chocolate anymore. Yeah,
it's good.
the flavor here is definitely like lighter, like a spongier cake almost.
It almost reminds me of like flan. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna like more. I hate these types of decisions. It's always difficult for me.
But yeah, I'm glad we revisited these recipes.
I have to go with this one, the white chocolate one.
And we're split decision.
You guys definitely have to try these. Tell us which one that you like better if you do. Will you agree with me, Emily? Or are you gonna agree with Sarah? Which no one ever does. So.
That's not true.
And YouTube seems to think that you're going to like this video right here, so why don't you click on it and we will see you over there. Anyway, I'm Emily.
I'm Sarah.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out.